discipline in our daily lives. So let's start it with the blessings of God. Get ready for the prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Oh God, infinite wisdom, and the source of knowledge. Bless our studies that we have consecrated to you. Lighten our minds, strengthen our memories, guide our will. Do what is right. Grant us the wisdom to be truly wise. Success is not about luck, it is about preparation, hard work and discipline. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now we are going to present a skit to show the importance of discipline. God bless you. God bless you. Sit down. Take out your notebook. Come as you show me your copy. Why you have not done the homework?
Sit down. Mic sit. Everybody sit down. Sit. Mic.
Now mommy wants to tell me. No ma'am, he's lying. I was not disturbing him. Sorry ma'am, my work is incomplete and tomorrow is my class test. How could I do it ma'am? My work is incomplete. Who will help me? I will help you, my friend. Teacher teaches us about importance of time and discipline, but we waste our time in class doing useless things. Moral of the story is discipline helps you stay forced to work hard and achieve your dream. Simple exercise like doing homework on time, maintain discipline in class. So how discipline leads to success? I listen to my teacher, listen to my teacher, listen to my teacher and I follow the rules. I can follow the directions, follow the directions, follow the directions and I follow the rules. More time to learn and more time to play, more time to learn and relate. India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy.
Discipline, no? Discipline. Discipline means what is that? Everybody have discipline? Yeah. See, we have discipline, but we should be practiced. By birth we are getting, then also we should practice, otherwise we will not get. Means for in the class, the eating, whenever we will eat, wherever you are going means should be discipline. Discipline means that including good manners also. The disciplined child always they will be good for everything. That is why means in the class and all you are talking in the class, that is discipline is there. Yes or no? Yes. You will talk in the class in the discipline class? Yes. No, means in the class the teacher is teaching, you should listen. Don't talk. And in the class also the respective places you should sit. And wherever you are going, then also others will see, they can understand it is a disciplined child or not. You should always be disciplined. You are coming to school, you are going at home, coming to school, you should study by home also, from home also, you should study this discipline. Discipline means always talking, jumping, like that means the situation you see, you should be disciplined. And all of you, give a thunderclap. It was very systematically they showed. Give a clap. All of you.